Regina Wanjiru. I scored 364 marks. I'm 14 years old and I will go to Mombi High School. I live in Izanga. My siblings are 4 and my cousins are 6. The total of them is 12. I went to Izanga Primary School and my favorite subject is mathematics. I like it because it is important in life. To study in the evening after school, I use a torch which we give a neighbor to charge for us. The challenges I get when I'm studying the torch is that the torch, when it gets out of charge, I'm not able to study well. It was hard to pay school fees because my mother did not have a job, but she was going to wash clothes for people so that she can get money to pay for our school fees. I would like to be an accountant because I like mathematics, and in my KCPE, the subject that I scored highest is mathematics, and I got it too.
Regina gaguthoma ri mwana thomage ena ng'aragu tondu ta mwaka muthiru mwe 7 he andu akinyiria kega nginya kindu angikua cukuru gicapotwo ni arimu makianjia kumuheaga irio kuma cukuru makamunengeraga mutu na nyeni agoka tukaruga makona gya kuria. Ndinarikia cukuru niguo mwari wa maitu arokire arona akire mwari nyumba kanyumba kanini ahote atige kwagagia ciana tondu nake ni aragagia ciana ci haria. Riu niguo ndonire wega njarie nake njuke twituranire hamwe nao twi squeeze kairia tuonete undu ungi. Ciana ciakwa ni 4 no cio mukuru thina wake munene ni kwaria tondu mutamenyeranite nake muno ndungimenya uria arauga na kwandika. No riko ndangithie no mai ni egutaha indo ni eguthambia na kwihurira nguo no ru ndungimutuma riko akurugire. Horo wa wins to fry ni ona ndiaui. Riu riria ndaingirire cukuru ngiuria ngiona resort cia mwana na ngiuria hendi tondu ndaigua form tinjuku ri kai form cigoka ri hendi akinjira gwituka kwina form imwe irendekana ya Equity. Tungithie ngikomba mbia ngirutithia tugite tutukihuria na hendi ngitwara kwa cifu ngihuriro stamp.
Teachers really encourage our runners to work hard so that they score the minimum requirement for wings to fly. So every teacher, every head teacher in their respective schools, they are able to encourage learners to apply for wings to fly. We have seen this one transform learners from humble backgrounds, and therefore teachers always encourage and remind learners that if you work hard, you'll be given wings to fly and you will realize your dream.
Turugagira haha ja tondu gutire riko na hindi iria kwaura tugeterera mekuria rugongo maritie kuruga turuge na yaura muno tugakoma tondu tutire no ndungi wa gwika. Ni wira uria ngoretwo ngiruta ni cie barua taru uguo kurarira msimu wa kuhanda ugeterwo gibarua ni mundu ugathie ukahanda. Hindi yo gabere kau ni cironekaga kwa ingi tondu urahandagira uyu muthi ukaigua cio ni etana rucio no kamucara karia marariha ni kanini tondu mari hata ciringi 250 ri ugoko no ragura mutu ukario ndagike ona gacukari ugathira. Riu ningiri ni iria wathi wathukuma rucio na cikagero njero iriku.
The people with money, they can help those without money by giving them job so that they can earn a salary to help their family.